Congratulations. Today is your day. You're off to great places. You're off on your way. You get brains in your head. You have feet in your shoes. You can steer yourself any direction you choose. You're on your own. And you know what you know. You are the one who'll decide where to go. You look up and down streets. You look them over with care. And about some you will say, I don't choose to go there. With your head full of brains and your feet full of shoes, and your shoes full of feet, you're too smart to go down an not so good street. You might not find any you want to go down. In which case, of course, you go ahead straight out of town. It's open there in the wide open air. Out there things can happen, and frequently do, to people as brainy and footsie as you. And when things start to happen, don't worry, don't stew, just go right along. They'll start happening to you. Oh, the places you'll go. You'll be on your way up. You'll be seeing great sights. You'll join the high flyers. You'll fly to high heights. You won't lag behind because you've got all the speed. You'll soon pass the gang and you'll take the lead. Wherever you fly, you'll be the best of the best. Wherever you go, you'll top all the rest. Except when you don't. Because sometimes you won't. Sorry to tell you, sadly it's true. Hang-ups and bang-ups can happen to you. You can get yourself all hung up in a prickly perch. Your gang will fly on. You will be left in a lurch. You'll fall down from the lurch with an unpleasant bump. And chances are then you'll be in a slump. And when you're in a slump, you are not in, well, for much fun. Slumping yourself. Right on cue. And slumping yourself is not easily done. Whew. You'll come to a place where the streets are not marked. Look right here. Some windows are lit, but mostly they're dark. An elbow, you can sprain both an elbow and knee. Do you dare to stay out? Do you dare to go in? And if you go in, should you go left or right? Or right and 3/4? Or maybe not quite. Or maybe go back around and sneak in from behind. Easy it is not, I'm afraid you will find. For a mind maker, a birth to make up her mind. You can get so confused, you'll start into race down some long wiggled roads at neck-breaking pace and grind on for miles. Across wild, weirdish space. Wild, weirdish space. Wild, weirdish space. Heading, I fear, towards the most useless space. The waiting place. People just waiting for a bus to go, or a train to come, or a car to go, or the phone to ring, or the snow to snow, or waiting around for a yes or a no, or a pot to boil, or their Uncle Jake, or a string of pearl, or a wig with curl, or a better chance or another break. Everyone is just waiting. That is not for you. Somehow you'll escape all that waiting. All that waiting and staying. You will find the bright places with the boom bands playing and the banners flip-flapping. Once again, you'll ride high. High in the sky. Because you're that kind of guy. Oh, the places you'll go. There's points to be scored. There's games to be had. There's fun to be done. And the magical things you will do with this ball will make you the winningest winner of all. Fame. You'll be famous as can be. With the whole wild world watching you win on TV. Except when they don't. Because sometimes they won't. You'll play lonely games too. Games you can't win. They'll be playing against you. All alone. Whether you like it or not. Alone is something you'll be quite a lot. And when you're alone, there's a very good chance you'll find something that's scary. There's some between hither and yon that'll scare you so much you won't want to go on. But on you will go. On you will go. Though the weather be foul, though the huck and crack owl, though your enemies prowl, on and on you will hike. Though your elbows may hurt and your sneakers may leak, up many a frightening creek, on and on you will hike. And I know you'll go far. You will face your problems, whatever they are. I mean, you'll get mixed up, of course. As you already know, you'll get mixed up with all sorts of strange birds as you go. So remember to step with great tact. Always remember, life is a great balancing act. Never forget to be dexterous and deft. And don't mix up your right foot with your left. And will you succeed? Yes, you will indeed. 97.75% guaranteed. Kid, you'll move mountains. So may your name be Buxbaum, Ray, Morticay, Van Allen, O'Shea. Your mountain, right there. Your mountain is waiting. So get on your way. Woo! Wind at my back. The moon at my back. Lightning in the distance. Yes. 97.75% guaranteed. BOBCAT.